Hello guys, in this video we will see how to download and install Maltego latest version, that is 4.11.0 on Windows 11 operating systems. But the installation process is same on all Windows operating systems. Okay, first go to Maltego official website, that is maltego.com. Then hover mouse on these resources. Then for customers, see here we have the download Maltego. Before downloading Maltego, we have to create an account. If you have already account, then download. So click on create an account, then click on use for free with Maltego ID. Then we have to register. Okay, after account creation, then again go to resources, then for customers, then select the download Maltego. See here, select operating system as Windows, then extension .exe plus Java. If Java is installed, then select exe. First verify whether Java is installed or not. cmd. See, Java is already installed. If it is not installed, then select .exe plus Java. Okay, I have already installed, so select .exe, then click on download Maltego graph. See, download started. Go to download. See here, its size is 165 megabytes. Wait until download completes. And also see here, version number is 4.11.0. See, download is completed. Now click on this Maltego setup exe file. Click on next. Now install for anyone using this computer or just for me. I want to install for all, so select first one and click on next. See, this is the destination folder. If you want some other location, click on browse and select. I am okay with this location, then click on next. See, this is the start menu folder. Then click on install. See, installation has been started. See, Maltego has been installed on your computer. Click finish to close setup or customize Java settings. And if you want to create desktop shortcut, you have to select the checkbox. I don't want, so click on finish. Now go to all applications, then go to Peterva folder. See here we have the Peterva, then see here we have the Maltego. So click on Maltego. See here, Maltego version is 4.11.0. Activation options, see here we have the license key or Maltego ID. Select Maltego ID, then click on next. See here we have two options, online activation or offline activation. Select online activation, then click on next. Then select this general terms and license conditions for software license and accompanying services by selecting this checkbox for the acceptance. Then click on next. Then we have to log in with Maltego ID. So click on browser login. Now we have to provide email or username. Then provide the password of this ID that we have registered. Okay, not the password of Gmail. See, authentication complete. Now go to Maltego application. See here, browser login was successful. Then click on next. See here, in the background it populated more information. And also see here, Maltego graph desktop 4.11.0. See, Maltego graph desktop activation successful. Then click on next. Now install transforms from utilities and Maltego local transform server. I don't have this one, so select utilities, then click on next. Now it is downloading the data sources. See, download completed. See, the following items were downloaded. 17 application servers, 185 transforms, 102 icons, 223 entities, 56 transform sets and 8 machines. Then click on next. Select the checkbox for declaration, then click on next. See, now it is installing data sources. It is completed. See, the following items were installed. So click on next. If you want to send automatically error reports, you have to select the checkbox. It is up to you. Then click on next. Now select the web browser. See here we have these web browsers. So select any one of them or default system browser. Then click on next. Privacy mode. See here we have the two, normal and stealth. See, the difference is privacy, normal privacy mode and stealth privacy mode. Okay, whatever you want you can select. I am going to select normal. Then click on next. Ready, set, go. So everything done. You want to open a blank graph and let me play around, you have to select this radio button. If you want to open example graph, you have to select this one. Go away, I have done this before. So It is up to you. I want to open an example graph. So select that radio button and click on finish. Wait a moment, it will open the example graph. See, it's loading. We got the all transforms information. Close this one. Close this one. See here in entity palette. See here we have the different palettes. Okay, whatever you want, you can just select it and drag to this graph. Okay. See, this is domain graph. See, this is domain entity palette. See here. In example, they used Maltego.com, or you can use your own by just clicking on this one. Then we have to provide domain here. Then we have to click on OK. And also see here we have the different transforms. If you double click on it, see, it will open. It will provide more information. See, like location. Here it will provide all the details. Okay. You want your own graph? Close. Click on new. Then select the entities from this list. Like again, if you want to open domain, just search here. See here we have the domain. Select it, drag it to graph. Now we have to provide here domain name. Okay, this is the way. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to download and install Maltego 4.11.0 on Windows 11 operating systems. Okay, for more tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.